Enjoy convenient assisted driving. Mustang Mach-E is now available with Ford Bluecruise. This allows hands-free driving on specific sections of motorways called hands-free blue zones. Here's how it works. Ford Bluecruise combines with your intelligent adaptive cruise control and lane centering systems, allowing you to take your hands off the steering wheel while it maintains cruising speed and keeps you in your current lane. An infrared camera monitors your eye gaze and head position to ensure that you're paying due care and attention to the road ahead. If the system finds that you're not looking at the road, it will notify you either with an alert message displayed in the instrument cluster or by sounding an audible chime to remind you to return your eyes to the road. If you do not react to the warnings, the Ford Bluecruise system will cancel, gently pump the brakes to get your attention, and slow your vehicle down while maintaining steering control.